Badminton. Do you play badminton? Do you know how to play badminton? You don't know. How about volleyball? You know that? Do you play volleyball? Yes. Do you experience playing volleyball? Not yet. Then shooting. Shooting talagang hindi kalaban ko. Firing. Firing. Okay.
Extreme, ma'am, extreme.
Ano mga laro mo?
Table tennis.
Table tennis shooting. Ano din paano ba yung gun shooting? Ito kayo rin.
Paano daw yung gun shooting, Bella? Pakita mo yung gun shooting. Ay, yun ang ba yun?
Yung ano niya yun?
Ano naman, mamaya barilin mo kami.
Sportswear.
Aba, yun kasi ang sportswear niya.
Okay, how about laro-laro ito? Do you play pico? Do you know how to play pico? How about Chinese garter? Nabat? Chopstone.
Pandemic baby na yan simula.
What else? What do you often play in your house? Toys. Big toys. Ano ba ba mga laro?
Ano, badminton, tennis,
Badminton. Badminton. You know badminton?
table tennis. Table tennis. Basketball. You know it?
Well, I know how to play basketball.
Sige. Let's say you play basketball. Yeah, that's dribbling. Right. Okay. Then, you play basketball. Okay? This is just a situation. Okay? Kumari lang. Ano kumari lang? Ano ba to? Okay, you play with your team. Basketball. Then, okay, you play with your friends. So your opponent is your friend, right? Then you give your best to win the game, but you lose. Your team lose.
But
It's just an example, okay? So you play basketball, you give your best. Your team gave your best, but you lose the game. Suddenly you lose the game. So what are you going to feel?
it's okay. Just don't ever.
What will you feel?
I will tell. Yes. Yes. Happy that because yes. Don't.
You feel happy?
That because it's okay if you don't win it. Just yes, try your best, and also it's okay if you don't win because you have to try your best to win the next day.
So what will you do with your opponent? Yeah, the other team. The team who wins the game or won the game. So what will you do?
It's okay that because I am yes, I got it because if you don't win, the bonus win. It's okay that because your family are still will be happy and your friends.
So what will you say to the winning team?
I will say congratulations. You have a new
That's it? That's all? Okay, thank you.
Kasi